Forgot to say a few words about gears. So this gear installs on the crankshaft. This bolt fixed this gear, it doesn't allow it to move forward over here. And special hollow disc, also special hollow disc as on the flywheel bolt, fixed that bolt, see. And this gear, camshaft gear, installs on the camshaft not so easily, because you must hit this gear for 250 Celsius, degrees Celsius. So after that, immediately install the gear on the camshaft. So see, this camshaft is without gear. See that? So it's hard work, that not easy to do, and you can damage this gear very easily while installing it. So how it works? See, it rotates not good because only one hand. I'm using only one hand. See that? So crankshaft rotates camshaft.